Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this light. So it comes with its little manual, mounting bracket. Now this is a heavy duty light made of strong steel. Whoa. It's so heavy duty, the camera's flying. So this is what it looks like. You got your LEDs in here. You can take this piece off if you ever need to. You're gonna have multiple sets of wires. You're gonna have your green, your white, and your black, as well as your pink and purple. And that's it. You know, it's just an LED parking light. Take your cables, run your cables in through here. So you'll want to have it ran in through here. You can tie everything off inside if you want to keep it blocked off, and then you just simply mount this on. Now they don't give you your stake or your pole, so this is all you get. You need to have a pole that fits it. So pole's got to go in here and mount it off. So keep that in mind. You do not get anything else other than this. I mean, you do get your bolt and wire splicer that you can connect your wires to, these little caps. And just to kind of show you guys here, you know, to cap them off, place your wires. Obviously not these wires, but you place them in here and you just twist the cap, and that just keeps the wires together. But yeah, parking lot light, super heavy duty. You need to supply yourself a pole to mount it on.